Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Qistina Abrizah Binti Mohd Sani. So today I'm going to test the inferential statistic for correlation test. My topic is relationship between enjoyment and physical activity participation. First step that we have to do is we have to key in the data. So this is the variable view for this data. For enjoyment, I put skills. Physical activity, the measurement is also skills. So there is two decimal form for these two variable, and this ID is as a respondent. I have 51 respondent. So this will be the appearance of this data. But before we test the inferential statistic, which is correlation, we have to test the normality of this data to know either this data is normal or not normal, to know which test we should use, either Pearson's or Spearman. To do the normality test, what we have to do is analyze descriptive, explore, and for the dependent list, we put together the enjoyment and physical activity participations because the two is correlate. So plot is we choose plot, histogram, and normality plot with test, continue, and okay. So this is the result of test normality of this data. To know the data is normal or not normal, we follow this Shapiro wheel. So we look at this Shapiro wheel column. So the p-value will be at the significance column, this one. So it shows that enjoyment p-value is 0.000 and physical activity participation p-value is 0.795. So the data normal if p-value is more than 0.05. But in this table, only physical activity participation shows which is p is more than 0.05, where the p-value for physical activity is 0.795, which is normal, while the enjoyment p-value shows that p is less than 0.05, which is not normal. When there is one data is not normal, we have to refer the skewness and kurtosis. So skewness and kurtosis is on the table above, this one, descriptive table. So we have to look the enjoyment, skewness, and kurtosis. So enjoyment for skewness is negative 0.30, for issues that negative 0.304, which is normal. So when the skewness is normal, we do not have to look the kurtosis. So when the data is normal distribute, we use the parametric method, which is Pearson's correlation. So now we go to the data bank. So after done the normality test, what we have to do is we have to do the inferential statistic. So when we do the normality test, it shows that this data is normally distributed when we refer to the skewness. So when the data is normally distributed, we use the Pearson's correlation. So to test the Pearson correlation, we have to choose analyze, correlate, by rate. So for the variable, we put together the enjoyment and physical activity. So we choose the Pearson, this one, Pearson's, and okay. So this is the Pearson's correlation result. So it states that the p-value is 0.039 and the significance level is at 0.05. So p is less than 0.05. So we have to reject the null hypothesis and there is a significant relationship. And for the correlation is 0.290. So it shows that it is the positive low correlation. So when there is a significant relationship, we can conclude that the more enjoyment, the more they engage in physical activity participation.